skiing down the mountain with those torches. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. I would never do that with a candle. It might hurt me.
That's amazing how they do that.
Yeah. Of course. Of course. Where did those people come from?
They were sitting at the top of the mountain and they started skiing down with their torches.
Are people supposed to watch them now?
Mm-hmm. They're doing it for a show.
Turn all the lights back on because
When they get to the bottom, I'll turn the lights on, buddy. But they're doing a show for us.
are people even watching them?
Mm-hmm. Like us, people like us.
Mhm. Just saying, there are other
Are
people.
those fireworks shaped of paint?
It would be red.
What? Mommy, where are they going to land?
When they get to the bottom of the hill.
That's
Mommy
all.
and Daddy skied that hill today.
And not
How dark?
us?
How dark was it?
It wasn't dark. It was daytime.
No, how like foggy.
It was foggy. Yeah, it was pretty snowy and foggy. I don't know how they're doing that with no light and doing skiing in the dark. Did
Well,
you see any of the lights fall? Anybody fall down yet?
no. It's hard to tell when lights fall. I just know lights fall
Here they
from the
come.
Surprise!
I see you.
Please, Anthony.
We're getting
What
closer.
was your birthday today?
I know.
So I have to surprise you.